Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker baked beans. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 bag of the small red beans, ground beef, an onion, Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, water, barbecue sauce. I'm using turkey bacon, or you can use the bacon of your choice. Molasses, tomato paste, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and also garlic powder. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. So as I said, we need 1 pound of small red beans. Make sure you sift through them and remove any broken beans or any rocks that may be in there. We also need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 onion diced, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cups of beef broth, 3 cups of water, 2 cups of barbecue sauce. I had 8 slices of turkey bacon, which I chopped into pieces. You may use the bacon of your choice. 1/2 cup of molasses, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay guys, in a frying pan on medium-low heat, I'm going to spray some non-stick cooking spray because I am using turkey bacon. And we're going to put our bacon in our pan, and we're just going to cook it until it turns brown. Once your bacon is brown, we're going to remove it from our pan. Make sure you turn off your heat and put it in a bowl and set it to the side. Okay guys, in your frying pan over medium-low heat, we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. To your ground beef, you want to go ahead and add your onion and also your garlic powder. Now I'm just going to go in and break it up, and we're going to cook it until the meat is all the way brown, all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat, and we're going to pour it into a bowl. Now do not drain it or anything. Everything goes into the bowl. Okay guys, you want to set your slow cooker for 4 hours and put it on high. Now I'm going to add my ground beef. we're going to add our red beans. Our beef broth. And also our water. Now I'm just going to give that a mix. I'm going to go ahead and put my lid over top, and we're going to let that cook for 4 hours. Okay guys, it's been 4 hours. I'm going to go ahead and take my lid off. Now we're going to add in our brown sugar, our molasses, our bacon, our Worcestershire sauce, our barbecue sauce, our tomato paste, and I'm going to be adding in our Dijon mustard. Okay guys, so all we're going to do now is mix that up. Make sure everything is nicely combined. Okay guys, once everything is well blended, we're just going to cover up our crock pot again, and we're going to allow that to cook for 2 more hours. Okay guys, so 2 hours is up, so we're going to open our lid, and here we have it, our slow cooker baked beans. They smell delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Please feel free to leave a comment.